Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. My name is Julia. So guys, let's do this review together. So I will be unboxing this hair dryer. I bought it for my daughter. I have mine already. So let's do the review together guys. So my kids, they are in the background playing and the noise was really too much. So I have to do voiceover. So guys, this is the hair dryer. So it has a extra that you can fit in the mouth of the hairdryer. It's really nice, cute though. So as you can see that button by the side, you can just press it and the wire will go inside automatically. So these are the extra ones. Thank you to my returnees. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I really do appreciate you all guys. So my kids, they were really having fun playing. So the noise was really too much. So I have to do voiceover. So this is the shoe. We'll be unboxing this shoe together. So there's a video up there. You can see when I was buying the shoes. I'm just in love with the shoe because it's so cool. The leather is really pretty nice. It's a Timberland. So that's the video up there where I was trying the shoe out. It was really nice on my leg. So it's my size and it's beautiful. So guys, that is all for this unboxing. That is the price over there. The shoe is cost, but it's really nice. It was it worth the money. So guys, that's the end of the review. And maybe guys, she's just saying hi to you guys. Say how you guys doing. Thank you for coming back to watch our video. We really do appreciate. That's my son over there saying hi to everyone. So guys, yeah, I will be showing you when I was going to buy the shoes. So this is the shop where I bought the shoes. Anyway guys, let me leave you guys to watch the rest video. So the remaining video is just the where I shop the shoe and where I shop the where I bought the hair dryer. So that's all guys. Just take a look and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. As you do so, God bless you. So this is the shop where I bought the hair dryer. So this shop is really big. They have a lot of things: hair dryer, bread toaster, machine. You know, they have many carpet machine. So it was on sales. So it was 22 euro, but they did sales. But I don't know. I can't remember how much I bought it, but yeah, it's been a while I bought it now. So I'm just making this video now. I'm just doing this video now because yeah, there was no time for me. You see, they are on sales, guys. Can't you see the display? They are really on sales, less price. So guys, let me leave you guys to watch the rest video. Bye. See you in my next video.